We're picking up eggs, Mommy.
Miles and Daddy are collecting eggs from the coop.
There you go, that's right. There's a whole bunch more. Over here, Mommy.
Okay, well let's let him collect them, and maybe there's the egg on the other side. The chicken's done. And you can collect some more.
Thank you, ladies. Oh no, okay, it's okay. Oh, look at all the chickens. We'll get that one in a second.
Hey Daddy, what are you doing?
Be careful, put them in there carefully. Very, very carefully. Careful, Miles, be very careful. Good job!
Miles, what did you just do? Miles.
Pick up this one. Pick that one up. Put it in the basket careful. Guys, you gotta get careful, sweetheart. Wow, were you just picking up eggs? She's sitting there laying some more eggs. There's no more in there. All right, Mommy, we got some eggs.
What did you and Miles just do, Daddy?
We got eggs from the chickens.
What did you do, Miles?
Here, you want to hold the basket? Here, wait, let's take a picture. You hold the basket. Okay, look, wait. Here, go give them to Mommy. We'll take a picture with you and Mommy and the eggs. Be careful with that basket.